How to chat in Grindr in PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can chat in Grindr on your PC. So let's start. Now in case you are using the website version of Grindr, which comes with the premium subscriptions, simply open the website by going to grindr.com. After that, log into your account and you'll come to the home screen of the app. Now inside the app, you can simply go to inbox and then start chatting. However, if you are using Grindr from the emulators, then simply open the software that you are using. After you open the software, locate the Grindr app that you have installed. Then after open it and log into your account. When you log into your account, you'll come to the browse section like this. Now in order to chat with anyone, you can simply go to inbox from the menu. Then after chat with that particular person. So by using these methods, you can easily chat with anyone in Grindr on your PC. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.